Hi, it's Greg of Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I'd like to welcome you to our showroom. I have got the coolest little street rod, 1931 Ford. It's purple and white. It's got tikis all over it. It is a cool ride. If you've caught us on eBay and you're looking for the pricing on our cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. All the prices for our cars are there on our website, and it's also the reserve price on eBay, so it's the exact same price. Or you can just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'd love to talk to you about the cars. Here at Vanguard, we've got over 30,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 120 muscle cars for sale. We buy about 35 cars a month, so the inventory changes quite often. If you like us on Facebook, you'll get a notification the minute we buy a car. It's one of the first things we do when we buy a car. We post it on Facebook to let everybody know. We actually sell a lot of cars that way. Also, like us on or make us one of your favorites on your computer too, because you need to check us out often. We've always got something cool going on here. One of the things that people always ask is, where do you get all these cool muscle cars? Well, we get them from customers like you. People call us when they've got cars for sale, when they want to trade cars, and also when they find cars for sale. If you've got a friend who has a car for sale and it's a high quality muscle car, give us a call with that phone number, and if I buy that car, we'll pay you $200. We encourage you to come visit us here at Vanguard. If you're from out of town, fly into Detroit Metro Airport, call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can send somebody down to the airport, pick you up. It's only about a 20-minute ride. We're right here in Plymouth, Michigan, and you can come out and check out all these cars. After buying thousands of cars and talking to thousands of people about them buying cars, we've developed 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. You can go to our website and check it out and download it free. Check it out, it's some good information. All right, we're out here with a tiki car now. I told you this thing was hot. Hey, if you're catching us on YouTube and you want to see about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at VanguardMotorsales.com and check it out there. We're going to put it up on the left. We're going to show you everything you need to see to make a good decision. So come on up. All right, we're out here in the front here. Love the purple on the car. Around here to the little small block, it's all chromed up and polished aluminum and steel braided hoses, and the two-tone white looks great. They got the bamboo stripe here. Some pinstriper really did an awesome job. The doors operate nice. You see the ostrich skin material. We got some nice looking wood here. The doors operate nice. We've got rear fiberglass fenders on the car. I really love the wheels on the car. They've got some Boss spinners. Good looking tail lights. Really like the Tiki Man there. Little back windows trimmed out real nice. We've got wood slats here. You've seen the surfboard on top. You can't drive it with that surfboard up there. Look down the side of it, straight as an arrow. Look, the bamboo's growing a little bit. Got some leaves there. Door works real nice. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. We lay out our money when we get one of these cars in. We own each and every one of them. And then when we get them back here to the shop, we've got a 130-point inspection sheet we go through. And the reason we do the inspection sheet is so when you call Tom at 248-974-9513, he can answer any question you may have about the car. So come on in, let's take a look at the interior on this baby. Really sharp looking door panels. It's got the original handles here. It's got a tilt column. It's got a wood dash, wood wheel. Check out them seats. Now you don't get them GoPros, you get to watch the GoPros. Them GoPros are mine, they ain't coming with the car. We look at that tiki bar back there in the back. Bucket seats in the back too. Take a look at the headliner there. Got all cool woodwork. All right, we're underneath the Tiki car now. This baby has got an Olds 9.3 rear end. It's an open rear end. It's about 3:10-to-1 gear ratio, so it's a good cruiser. As you can see, it's nice and heavy duty. They've built up a 4-link system with it. Take a look at those ladder bars. They go halfway up the car there. There's a Panhard bar up here. Here's your 4-link right here, going up there to the frame. Real nice job. As you can see, they snuck the exhaust down here and out the sides. Real nice, neat job of that. Looks like it's got new wheel cylinders. Really nice hangers here on the exhaust. It's got a custom-made aluminum gas tank. Looks like brand new U-joints in the drive shaft. The floorboards are metal, nice and solid. The running boards are metal, and you can see they took the time to take some heat wrap and put on these glass pack mufflers to keep them from heating up those running boards. Did that to both sides. Got Heim joints out here on our 4-link setup. They boxed the frame up front here. It's got a turbo 400 trans, or actually, I'm sorry, this is a turbo 350 trans. Nice aluminum pan. Chrome closeout, chrome oil pan. Oh, I missed the, we've got the trans cooler mounted right back here. This is the condenser for the AC. I don't know if I pointed out, but you can pretty much see we've got a chrome oil pan. Got disc brakes up front. It's a Mustang 2 front suspension, it looks like. Looks like they've actually taken a cross member out of a Mustang and put it right in this car. We've got rack and pinion steering. It is a manual rack. Car steers awesome. Looks like our horn's mounted right here under the front fender. Real sharp underneath, guys. Not only on top, but underneath. It's a beautiful car. Let's check out the wheels and tires. All right, very cool wheels on the car. It looks like a custom collar here. They're Boss rims, they're aluminum. Up front, I got 195/65 15s. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got two 15/70 15s. Same good looking aluminum rims. Well, let's lower it down and take a look under the hood. All right, we're under the hood of the Tiki car now. This thing is designed so you can pull that hood right off. If you want to drive around and show off your motor, that's great. You can actually drive the car with the hood off. We've got a real good looking billet aluminum air cleaner. There's a big old Holley sitting underneath there. Billet aluminum valve covers. They got the wireways. Those are poly stainless, or they might be chrome. I think those are actually chrome. Chrome headers, chrome alternator, polished up AC condenser. Got the big old Aruga horn up here. Got steel braided lines going to the AC. HEI Distributor out back there throwing a spark in this baby. It looks like the water pump's even chromed up. This is a very, very highly customized build. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. All right, here we go in the Bamboo Voodoo. I call it the Tiki car. We got a stereo up here, Sony stereo, but I'm pretty sure you gotta be less than 50 years old to figure out how to run it. It does work, I've heard it. We've got the gauges all working there on the dash. You can see oil pressure, water temp, speedo, fuel, voltage. What's cool is they got the seats set back here far enough where I'm real comfortable driving the car. Looks like the controls for the AC are right there. The thing steers real nice. We got some Tikis down here too. Everything's real easy to get at. Real fun car to drive. We'll see how she does on a turn here. I always do these U-turns because so many of these old hot rods don't turn worth a heck. Take a look at that. She'd do a U-turn right there in the intersection, no problem. We've got tilt wheel here. We've got the light switch here. Oh goodness, I just hit the horn. Listen to that. All right, we're gonna do a little speed run here in the Tiki car. It's got some nice exhaust on it. Sounds real tough. Steering through all these curves real nice. It's driving nice and straight. I got my hands off the wheel. Now we'll check out the brakes here. Hands still off the wheel, and she's still stopping nice and straight. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this baby anywhere in the world. Just give us a call at 248-974-9513. And there is no better place to buy a muscle car than the Motor City. Right here's our shop right outside the Motor City in Plymouth, Michigan. It's 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. It's nice out today, so we got all these hot rods outside. We got about 120 for sale and over 30,000 square feet of indoor storage. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.